Hey fam, I'm staying in a Junior Deluxe interior room for the 4-day KLove cruise aboard MSC Divina. Let's go check it out. So starting from the front door, to the very right, you will have the light switch. Beneath it, you'll have this area that this card will activate the lights in the room. If you take it out, the lights will go off. Now, to the left of the door coming in, you will find your closet. Here you'll find your life vest above, hangers, and space to put your luggage beneath. In this door is just the other side of that. You will find your life vest, hangers, and space to put your luggage over on this side. In this closet, you'll find storage up top, these two shelvings, then you'll find your safe, and then additional storage below. This is the size of it. Decent size to put things that you need to put in there. Now continuing to the right of the door, you will find the thermostat. You'll find this light switch. This light switch is for the bathroom. So let's go check out the bathroom. There is a step here, so be careful. I don't want you to trip. And here is the counter. Decent enough counter space for me. There's 3 shelves as well. Some storage beneath. You'll find your waste basket in here. Your hand towels. These are your regular towels. And in this bathroom, instead of a shower curtain, it has a shower door. A lot of cruises, you may be expected for a shower curtain, but it has a shower door. In here, you will find your shower gel and your shampoo. Leaving out of the bathroom now, we will go into the main area of the bedroom. Here you'll find your bed. On each side of the bed is a lamp, and on the right side of the bed is your phone. Both sides have a little storage underneath the lamp, 2 drawers, and this is your TV, not very big, and underneath it, it looks like a mini fridge, but it's really a mini bar. So if you take anything, even if you have the non-alcoholic drink package, you'll be charged. So just know that even if you have some type of package that includes soda, a soda package or whatever, you will be charged. So for the convenience, you will be charged a price. So just get your sodas or what have you from the bar. And here is a full-size mirror. Now over here is your desk, and so here you'll find 2 drawers. 1 drawer is empty and 1 drawer has your ear dryer. Half-size mirror right here, and on the desk you will find your light switch. In the back you will find also the 2 plugs, your 220 volts and your 110 volt. They do have an ice bucket. If you do want ice, you have to ask your room steward. Underneath the desk is a waste basket and a little seat. And so a once over of the room, so you can kind of get a feel of the size of the room. So this is me walking right into the room. Mirror above the bed. Closets. So what do you think about the room? It's only me, so I think it is a decent sized room. I've been in rooms where the TV was this small, and I've been in rooms particularly like this, the configuration of it. So it's a decent size. It's enough for me for this 4-day cruise. Can you do me a favor, family? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. And until next time, happy travels.